Problems with the Waterfall Model. The major problem with the waterfall model is that changes are expensive to handle. Some of the other problems are frequent changes to requirements, interface with other systems, complex and multidisciplinary technology, rapid rate of technological advance, difficulty in arriving at consensus, and pressure to have shorter time to market. In waterfall models, the team needs to freeze the requirements at the beginning of the project. This limits the project to adapt to any later enhancements or changes and may not be a realistic approach. In product development projects, the requirements may not be clear from the beginning. The product might need to evolve per dynamic market conditions and customer feedback over a period of time. Requirements emerge over a period. Many projects require interfaces with upstream and downstream systems. Many of these interfaces tend to become complex and require a complex mix of technologies cutting across disciplines. For example, an industrial automation system may need some mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, and software elements. In product development projects, there could be a requirement to leverage the latest technological advances to deliver a better product. For example, a software application must allow for accessing it on multiple devices such as smartphones, tablets, desktops, and laptops. This increases the complexity of the project. People developing and using the product have different skills, intelligence levels, experience, viewpoints, and attitudes. This makes it challenging to arrive at consensus. There is tremendous pressure to have a short time to market due to the increasingly dynamic nature of the businesses. This puts a lot of pressure on teams.